Hey, last week was the blacksmithing meltdown dumpster fire event of the century, in which I split my 435 layer billet down the middle with the intent of keeping a hinge so I could insert something and then weld it all too. Well, what I ended up doing, partially because my fire was bad and partially just because I just didn't have my head into it, I guess, is I didn't weld anything. I actually just split my billet in two. And so I spent the rest of the morning putting it back together. And I put it back together pretty well, but it needed further cleanup. So this morning, my intention was to further clean it up and draw it out. How'd I do? Well, stay tuned. mound it up over the piece. Fill in the bench. That keeps the heat over the piece and helps set up for the coals to burn without affecting the heat. Always planning your fire in advance. So, do I look happy? Yes, I do. There's my billet. Nice and clean, squared up, ready to rock and roll for the next phase. You know, it's snowing now, and this is kind of like how it was yesterday morning. Then it all turned to rain and mush. It was really miserable most of the day. I don't have high hopes for today, but today we're really just going to be talking about the little test we ran yesterday across the road, which was the bronzesmith wanted to test an old blade. You know, the handle had broken, but the blade was still intact, and he wanted to test it against galvanized steel siding on a collapsed building out there, because I had done the same thing with my sword, my steel sword, last week, and I'll show you footage of both, so just for fun.
Ooh. Sweet.
Well, thanks for hanging out, and see you next week. Be good. Stay well.